Hey everybody, what's up? RedJayHead here, and today I'm going to show you guys this really cool trick that I found out only 2 years after I moved into my new condo. If any of you are having problems with phone connectivity and for some odd reason you are dropping calls when you're on the phone because your condo is insulated too well or it's just bad connection, here is a secret. I am gonna put you onto a little something called Wi-Fi calling. So basically what you do is you go into your settings, as I have done here, and if you just scroll down to phone, or you can use the search menu and just search Wi-Fi calling, but if you go to phone and then you click on Wi-Fi calling over here, you'll notice that there's this option that you can toggle Wi-Fi calling on this phone. And if you add it and you have good internet, but you have bad service in your home, because again, maybe your condo's office is located in the middle of the building like mine was, and the building is kind of made of concrete and you just get bad reception, this is the answer if you have good Wi-Fi. So give it a shout. It took me 2 years to figure this out, and I couldn't believe that I didn't know about this before. So honestly, the reason I'm posting this video is because if there's anybody out there who might benefit from this, even just one person, then that would make me happy. So I hope this helps. It's like a great alternative to spending hundreds of dollars on other equipment to boost your signal and stuff like that. And yeah, I hope it helps. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.